guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. The reason I'm doing the video today is I ordered these a while back and they finally showed up. These are for the clutch, English wheel, and so I want to thank Sobering Restorations. If you guys haven't checked out Sobering Restorations on YouTube, go check out their YouTube channel. Jeff and Dave are good people, and they got a hold of me, I believe it was last year, and they said, hey, you know, you're building the car, Rogue, and we want to sponsor you an English wheel. So what they did is Jeff and Dave sent the money over because, you know, shipping something from Canada, it would have taken months, and then because of the whole thing that was going on with the world, I'm not even gonna say the name because I hate that freaking crap, but everything that was going on, they went ahead and just sent me like a PayPal or whatever it was. And then when I got the money, what it was is they were sponsoring an English wheel. And when I got the money, I told them I would get one, get it coming, whatever. So we went like literally a couple days later and went and picked one up in Hibbing, Minnesota at the, it's like a Northern Tool, but it's called Radco. And I want to thank Radco for having this in stock. That was pretty cool. So we picked this up, but at the time, they were having a hard time trying to get the wheels for the English wheel. And there's 7 of them, I think it is. And there's all the different radius or radii, however you want to say it. And so I ordered the clutch English wheel, and then just the other day, finally the wheels came in. So I got those picked up, and it was, you know, now I'll be able to really get into using this thing because Jeff was actually asking me, he's like, hey, you know, are you going to be using the English wheel or whatever? I'm like, yeah, but it's kind of hard to do it when you only have like one, you know, just a flat wheel or whatever to kind of smooth stuff out. So now I'm going to be busting out some panels. Tried to finish the welding table, drilling some holes, and I broke the last bit, and the drill is a rental. The mag drill is a rental, so it's going back. I'm not even going to worry about it. There's like 10 holes on one corner, and then there's a couple holes down the sides that I didn't get to drill. But it's not even going to slow me down. I can still use the table for whatever. So I'm going to be doing that. But I'd appreciate it if you guys go on your YouTube channels and go sub Sobering Restorations channel and check out their videos and their projects. And I got like, I got a whole bunch of sheet metal curly cues from the drill in me stuck in my shirt and hair and everything else. But anyways, I want to thank Sobering Restorations for the English wheel. I really appreciate you guys. It's awesome. And I will be, I believe tomorrow, I will be busting ass on Rogue. And from here on out, I'm going to just be killing myself on the car, trying to get it done. I got a couple things that I need to do, but I don't want them to get in my way because it just ends up, I was telling Glenn Ridd from NZ Mopar, I was telling him the other day, it seems like when you pull off of something, even one day, it ends up being 2 days and 3 days, and pretty soon it's 2 weeks and 3 weeks, and then pretty soon it's like, damn, man, I just lost a month, you know? And I don't want it to be like that anymore. I want to try to get some of this stuff done. And so I'm going to be, you know, tearing it up. My old English wheel, I have the bead roller on it. I still use that for kind of like half-ass shaping stuff and getting it kind of close. But this one is a lot nicer. It's a lot better quality than the Harbor Freight English wheel that they have. This one has bearings inside of it. And like the top wheel of the Harbor Freight English wheel, it doesn't have bearings. It's just like a slug that goes through there with a bolt. And anyways, I got a lot of cool things getting ready to happen with the shop. A lot of, you know, badass things that are going to happen, and I'll share that with you guys as soon as that stuff starts happening or whatever. I appreciate all the support on the channel. This is going to be just a real quick video, kind of a shop update, and I thank you guys for watching. Go check out Sobering Restorations. Thanks for watching. Later.